Hello, good morning, students. Today I have brought a very inspiring story from supplementary reader of class 9. I am along with its first lesson, The Lost Child, written by an eminent story writer, Mulk Raj Anand. My dear, before going to the story in detail, we must know more about the writer because without knowing about the mood of the writer, we cannot justify with the story and its facts. Today, we shall learn about Mulk Rajanand, who is a very famous personality among the writers. He was born in 1905 in Peshawar in Pakistan then and died on 28 September 2004 in Pune. During his lifetime, he broke different records and set up also. My dear, he went to England in 1924 to study philosophy and came back in 1932. After that, he never looked behind and started doing something for society. By writing different sorts of stories, he proved himself a great well wisher of the poor about his exploitation and downtrodden way of life. He was an Indian writer. In English, he described about the poor living in traditional Indian society and in what way the poor were treated and were exploited by the rich. His writing led him again to the top and he got a very firm position in the hearts of international readers. Gradually, he wrote a lot of novels. Out of them, his seven novels are very eminent. Seven Summer, Untouchable, Two Lips and a Bird's, The Big Heart, published in 1945, Death of a Hero, 1964, The Road, 1963, Morning Face and the Golden Breath. These are the famous novels written by Mulk Rajanand. And after that, you will surprise to know the greatness of the person. He had much more love for Gandhiji and he became his companion and started living in his ashram and by doing so he did a lot. He is considered one of the pioneers of Indo Anglian fiction writer. He started classic work of modern English literature and gifted a remarkable piece of writings to the readers. He selected a specific field and brought in his writing. It was the life of the poor, depressed, deserted, denied, and exploited people. In his writing, he described in what way the poor were treated, and even today they are treated. My dear, only years have passed, but the old mentality is remain with us. Those have a lot of money, they don't like to distribute or to donate among the poor. They have only one desire, to enrich themselves only by collecting money by either way, by a snatching, robbery, ill earning in this way. And we see how poor, how weak our society is. Mulk Raj Anand selected such characters and made the part of his writing and brought the reality before society in what way they are treated. It is seen even in today's society that we have classified view for others. Narrowness has come in our thoughts. Generosity has completely been abolished. Now we have only one idea, that is to gain anyhow. My dear, this idea has made our society very miserable. Who will bring the reform? It is said that if the thinking part of community becomes silent, certainly corruption comes forward, and only the innocent people are tortured, they are exploited. We see the motto of education has also been degraded. We have left the moral value of education. In India, a particular society is getting education by spending much more money, by going somewhere. But after education, the students migrate, leaving their own nation only to earn much more money. And we see, although they earn money, but they do not satisfy their soul. How can they do so? Because they do nothing for the nation. Nation should be the first. And without keeping it on the top, we cannot progress as we desire. So, in our next discussion, we shall learn more about the story, in what way the child lost his path and went away from his parents, and in what way he was supported by the viewers in the fair and the discussion in detail. So, with these words, I would like to conclude today's idea, and we shall learn next topic. Thank you.